With a 5-meter machining length, witness the true power of industrial manufacturing. A massive 970mm bedway width ensures maximum stability for every cut. Featuring a 1,250mm swing-over bed, designed to handle oversized shafts and discs with ease. Built for heavy-duty performance, supporting a maximum load capacity of 10 tons. The CK61125E, where immense power meets high-precision engineering. Anyang, Xinsheng, your global partner for heavy machining solutions.